Hello everyone and welcome you all to the tutorial on Davinci Resolve. So in last class we saw how we can put a B frame or another frame or another image inside our video. So how we can do that or how we can also overlap, how we can also manage the music and everything. So in this class we'll be learning about the effects, like how we'll put a text or a title or how we're gonna put any kind of transition if you have two or three videos. And we'll also learn about different kind of effects which we can use in our whole video. So here, as you guys can see, I do have an audio and a video. So I just unlinked both of this. So here, if you want to put any kind of effects, I do have my effects library here. So here, if I come to effects, I'll have all these kind of effects which I can put. Okay, and here are the titles. So let me start with the titles first. So here, if I select this title, simply I'll drag here. It's like a text where we want to put. So once I've selected this one, I can change its font size and also its color and everything. So I'll type Monaco. I'll select this whole text here and I can select what type of font do I need or which looks good. And it's a bold one, so I'll choose the color. And here, with the use of mouse, I can move it actually. And here I can manage the size and I can do it from here as well, basically. So here, if I'll show you guys, if I have two lines, okay, if I have two lines of text, how I'm gonna manage Monaco. So I'll write France here. So as you can see how it's coming here, the text, okay. So here, if I want to increase the spacing between both the letters, I can kind of do it like this. Or if I want to bring or overlap, I can do that as well here. And I can change colors. So I'll just choose this color here and I'll press on OK. So as you can see, I have the text here and I can also choose the font style if I want to underline it or not. Okay. So here now whatever changes I do will be on both the text, because last time I've just selected the first text, and here I can also choose how I want my font case, all caps, all lower caps, small caps, or title caps. Like if I want my first letter to be only capital, then I can use this here. If I choose all lowercase, all small caps, here all caps. So here I can also choose where I want the alignment. So here, I hope you guys have understood how we can actually add a title or any kind of text. So let me just play and show. So here, when it just disappeared, it just disappeared directly. Okay. So now here we'll learn about how we can actually put different type of transitions between the videos. And before that, I'll just show some other uses of how we can actually make it more attractive here. So if you want to put any kind of background color in its back, so I can just come here and I'll choose this red color. Or I'll just take something in white. And I'll also change this outline color, which I want to keep it in blue. So I'll click on OK here. And now I'll change the width, the height of how much do I need. And I can also decrease the width here, as you can see. And I can also change the corner radius. Okay. I can make it a square box, and again I can make it kind of in a radius shape as well. So here my title or the text which I'm going to put will be inside a box of colors which I will choose from here. And if I want any outline color, I can choose any other color here. And if I click on OK, then I'll change the outline width. As you can see, the outline width. So I hope you guys have understood like how to use this or how to put any kind of text or any kind of title. So now we'll take another video which I'll be showing you guys how to actually do transition between the videos. And we can also do it in our text box as well, or the title box, which we want to call. I will unlink this first, and now I'll just cut this one. And here, when I'm trying to put this, let's try to play first. So here I want to just transit my video. So for that, I'll come here in these video transitions. And here we do have many options. Like if we just click, we can see how it will actually blur here. And cross dissolve, we can use this one. The smooth cut is here. And like this, it will cut. But here, like I'll just give you guys a suggestion. Like while using this transition option, we should not do too much. Like we should not use too much like split and all. Sometimes it doesn't look good. But we just have to use it according to our need and want. Like if we use too much of it, our video won't look good and it won't attract people like the way we want. So for me, I do always try to keep it quite simple. So I'll use this cross resolve here. And as you can see, when I have the transition, I can also put it in the beginning or I can put here as well. And I'll put one here. I'll put one here. And I'll put this one here. I'll put one. And I'll try to put another one right here. So once I play this video, you you can see how it's transitioning and it's going back. And here, while transitioning, as you can see, Adobe is translating the videos here. And once we click here on this transition, we can actually choose like transition type from here as well. What will be the duration of the transition? How many frames? What will be the alignment? And when I want it to start and end. And if I want any transition curve, I can also use it from here. So here, while transitioning, I'll show you guys. It's becoming black. As you can see, my screen is becoming black because here I do have the color black. But if you want different colors for that, we can do that, as it will now change it from white. Or if you want any different colors, we can also put that. And now I'll show you guys the difference here. If I play this video, it will change like that. So for me, I'll just choose the white color and it looks good for me. And here also we can do the same, like we can change here as well. And in the whole video, we can do like that. So now let's see about the effects, what we can use inside our text box and also in our transitions. So as you can see, when I go to the effects, once I click this one, I can see the preview of how my video will look. And here, as you can see, it's the colored border. I can choose this, or if I want a digital glitch here, I can do that. Here, a DSLR view here. So we can choose anything which is good for video. So we can do that. So for me, I'll take the colored border and I'll just put it here. So once I play here, so now as you guys have seen, I do have the border here as I have selected this effect. So like that also we can really put up a great video for ourselves, which we want to use for our work or for any of our client. So we can actually do that pretty well from the Davinci Resolve. So here in this class, we have basically learned about how to use the text or how to put any kind of titles, how we can change its font size, how we can change its font's color, how to put a background thing inside the text box, how we can actually put an effect, how we can transit our video quite smoothly. So I hope you guys have understood this class, and in next class we'll be learning about audio levels and also the music levels which we are going to put in our video, like how we can adjust those. So hope to see you all in the next tutorial.